Hi everybody. It is Monday, March, I want to say 9th. It is the most beautiful day so far of 2020. It is 70 degrees on the Jersey Shore today, and it is just beautiful. I'm doing a lot of dog jobs and a lot of walking. I've walked already over 3 miles today. I'm doing another 2 till the end of the day, and then I'm going to walk Elvis when I go home. I thought I would do another mukbang with you and have a little discussion with you. I'm very, very excited. Michael, those of you who don't watch my channel, Michael is really my husband, but he's my boyfriend of 33 years. And we've been together 33 years, and we have a little dog named Elvis, and we like to go on like little trips and stuff like that. We usually go a couple times a year, but now that we have Elvis, we don't want to leave him with anyone. Honestly, frankly, we don't really trust anybody to take care of him the way we do. So he's the love of our life, and if anything ever happened to him because I left him with somebody, I would never be able to forgive myself. So we decided that we were going to try to find something that we could go to, that we could take him, because a lot of the places down south are very pet friendly. Well, we already booked it. It's for June 18th through the 23rd. We are going to Tennessee, where I want to eventually live someday. We're going to the Tennessee mountains near Gatlinburg, Pigeon something, but it's near Gatlin. It's 10 minutes from Gatlinburg. And we are going to go on a beautiful trip, a 5-day trip. So I am so excited, and I'm going to vlog. I'm going to do videos there. I'm going to do all kinds of things. And we could bring Elvis. That's the best part. And then if we do have to leave him back for, say, an hour, if we're going to go out to eat, it has a kitchen and everything. We're going to cook there. It's got a hot tub. It's right in the mountains. It's amazing. But today, I've been very, very good. Very good. I did not have Wendy's last week at all. I didn't have any fast food, nothing last week. So today I treated myself to Wendy's. And I really should, again, I say the same thing, that I shouldn't have got the prize, but it's fine. I got Peaches and Tonka, who I'm going to next. I got them a 6-piece nugget. So, what the hell I got in here? Just a little fry. And then I got a 6-piece nugget for the dogs. I always remember my babies. Always. So, yeah, so we're going to go to Tennessee. And we're going to check it out, because I do want to live there someday. I truly, truly want to live there one day. I really do. Everybody says that if you go there, that you just don't ever want to come home.
All right, let me know when you're ready.
Oh, I'm looking forward to it. I'm very excited. Something to look forward to. We were just saying that, like, it was just, the summer's nice because I live on a resort area. I do. I live on the Jersey Shore. So, I could go to the beach every day, you know. I get a good tan, you know. But it's not like going away.
Go ahead, your order.
Other than vlogging, I'm not answering my phone. Unless it's my father. Only thing I don't like leaving him home.
Okay, great. We have soap.
So yeah. Has anybody ever been to Gatlinburg, Tennessee? Let me know down below. Let me know any suggestions you may have. There's a lot of new restaurants. I've been watching YouTube. YouTube is fabulous for this kind of stuff. I posted, if you're my Facebook friend, I posted what it looks like where we're staying. I posted it, so. Never fails. Never fails. Never. I just took this out of the wash. Oh, it came right off. Oh, thank God. Came right off. I'm gonna have to eat it over the paper. Very good. Look at that. I really don't need to eat the fries, but so has anybody ever been to Gatlinburg? Let me know. The best part is I could take Elvis. That's the best part. That I could take Elvis with me. That's the absolute best part, honestly. So, I cannot believe half of my friends on here. How many of you still have snow? It's ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. I am a hot mess right now.
Can I take your order?
Tell you, a lot of people here today.
Come on, Larry, the first one down.
Oh, God. I'm a hot mess. I want to take them out when I get there. That's why I'm going to give them their chicken, and I'm going to go out. It's 70 degrees. I think last Monday it was like 30. I'm not going to complain, believe me. I am not complaining at all.
Anything else? Your total gonna be $7.66. Thank you.
It's so funny. People are complaining that it's hot. They complain it's cold. They complain it's hot. They complain it rains. They complain it snows. This world is nuts. Really. I am so excited about my trip, I don't even know what to do. It's going to be so much vlogging to do. I'm actually sweating right now. Like really hot. My Flanagans, I hadn't seen them since last Monday. Brian, the baby, he's not a baby, he's gonna be six, but I call him the baby. He got the flu really bad. And number one, I wasn't gonna go barge in there and take care of dogs. And number two, I wasn't gonna get sick. I hope I don't, like, so today
Can I take your order?
was the first
What kind of sauce?
day that I saw them in
Sauce?
like 6 days. So they were so happy to see me. Oh my God. I bought them a huge surprise. We went for like over a 1.5 mile walk. We sat at the park. We went home. I put them in there outside for a little while again. So I got their surprise ready. I cut open, I bought them bones, this big little jumbo things. Gave them each one, they laid on the floor. Then when they were done, they came over, all 4 of them, came over and just put their paws around me, and they were so happy. I love my Flanagans. I bought them new leashes. So Jim will see those when he comes home. I don't think I want my fries. I don't want to eat them if I don't want them. Right? Maybe the puppy will eat them. I'm not going to eat them. All the chicken is falling out of this thing. For my boy and my girl. I'll bring him the fries. I hardly ate them. They're going to be happy. They're going to be very happy. Okay. I guess I can put it in here, right? Not going to hurt anything. I'm just going to get it on the food. Okay. I'm ready to go. Where's this person going? With the reverse lights on, you're still going. Oh my God, I'm so full. I'm not used to eating those chickens. I didn't have it all last week. This guy's car sounds like it's gonna fall apart. That's so sad. I don't even know how it's running. I actually have free coupons from Halloween. They were $1 when I bought food here for free Frosty. There's their own little fire department over here. I never saw that. I've been coming here since September. Almost been watching the dogs. I didn't have them last summer. I had them last fall. It's a nice little place in here. I mean, it's considered a trailer park, but they look like homes. And there's all like people, like really nice people. They have like really nice cars, and they're really nice inside. And most of the people in here own these. Some of them do rent them. The lady I'm with rents it. The one that I watch. The only thing is they come around and they have things, there's a few pedophiles in here, but I don't worry with Peaches. Peaches is like a 150-pound pit bull. She's the love of my life, and she's a doll, but she's not going to let anybody touch me. I'll tell you right now, she's not going to let anyone touch me. It's just not happening. Haven't seen them since Friday. Well, my radio's on. Now let's close this. It's almost on 15 minutes. I didn't want to go. I'm going to get rid of this. Keep this. I'll take you with me. I'm going to bring in her garbage pail. I'll leave that there. I don't need it. Okay. I'll put this on the porch over here until I bring in the garbage pail. I want to get her a little mat for her front door and for here. Because she, you know, she pays me a lot of money, I think, for what I do. But that was her decision. I didn't even ask for this much. So I'm gonna get going, guys. And some weirdos, but what are you gonna do? Nothing to do. Okay, guys. I will see you soon, okay? Bye. Take it easy. Thanks for watching. Let me know about Gatlinburg if anybody's gone. Bye.